Oh, yes. Happy December 16th. And I've got my 16th one up here and number 16 here. And that means it's also number 3 for the A box. Okay, let's get started here. I want to make this short and sweet today. Got a lot going on. All right, and we'll just recap tomorrow on everything. I'm just doing a big update. Everything's coming along just great. We're going to start with Missouri Star, and I can't tell what it is. It's got some, like something round in there, but kind of flat. Okay, well, let's just open it up. Ooh, that came off nicely. Maybe the rest of it will come off nicely too. Ooh. Oh, save the bag. Yes! Merry Christmas. I don't know why I make that happy, but it's all right. It's not like I'm going to read. There's a little Chucky Ducky on my bag. They've been on, I've been appearing lately all around. What? This is a pen magnet. And it looks like a little critter's face, like a cat. Oh. Sweet. And it's got, let me see if I can undo this. There we go. This has got one of those kind of like where you moisten it and stick it up on a, somewhere, like on a cupboard or a wall or whatever. I bet he comes out this way. Aww. Anyway, there you see, he's a pen magnet that you can stick up, maybe even on your machine. Oh, wow, that'd be so cool. There we go, because my machine's not magnetic, and this would stick on it, so then I'd have it right there. That is cool. I like it, but there was more. I like this, but wait, there's more. Hey, this is like a slappy bracelet, and it looks also like it's got magnetic there with the pen on it. Let me see if I can figure out where the open is. I'm going to try it on. Ah! Why do they have to make this like it's hermetically sealed or something? Come on. I should have put scissors out here, I guess, but how did I know? I didn't, because I don't peek. Oh, I think I found a place. Maybe? No, yes. Gonna try it on, gonna try it on. Oh! All right, does it work? Ooh. Look at that. Magnetic, and it says, "Sew along with me, the best is yet to be." Oh, I like this. This is cool. I love it. I'm going to have fun just doing this with it, though. Bam. And it's on. And it fits every time. I don't have no clips, no nothing to try and grab. It is nice. Great, great things today. Oh my gosh, thank you, Missouri Star. Oh, all right, moving right along. We're going to go to the A box for soft squares, and it's, I feel a project bag in here. I'm so excited. I feel a project bag. I cannot wait. I am going to rip open this as quick as I can. And I see a project bag. And there it is. I better make sure there's nothing else in here. Nope, we're good. Nope, that's just that from the other one. There we go. Pull my trash away. Day 3. This project is fun and simple. You are working with cork with the aid of a special micro needle and a clear template, both of which are included in your kit. Yes. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, a whole pack of Schmetz micro needles and a clear template. Okay. Oh. This is it. This is template plastic right there. I'm pretty sure that's it because I don't feel anything else. Yup. Okay. The zipper is easy to insert using the aid of a zipper helper. What the? That must be this. This is a zipper helper. Oh, cool. Keep this tool for the future use with any zipper tab. Okay. And there is a zipper tab here. You'll find the tutorial for this as part of the daily unboxing video for today. So right after this, I can go run over to Soft Squares, pull that today's box up with Lynn opening it, and the tutorial will be right there. And I will be able, the cork. Let's look at the cork. Oh, how cute. How cute is this? But the pattern, we don't even know what it looks like yet. But we will, because abracadabra. There we go. This is a cork coin purse. Oh, this is perfect because I've been having to keep change in my pocket. Unbelievable. Here's a coin purse pattern. I will now have a coin purse for my purse. This is great. Trust me. Yeah, I think I've got like 95 cents or something like that sitting in my winter coat pocket right now. Yep. Because I do not have, I love this. 5 different sizes. Ooh, this is going to be so cool. I am so excited. I'm going to work on that one. And here's the zipper pull, and it's so pretty. Ouch. Let me see there. Okay. There we go. I don't know if you can see the little tassel on there. Yep. There's all the little hardware right there. Oh, so cool. How cool is this? Oh, I'm loving this. Oh, my goodness. Perfect. This is nice. It's very smooth on one side and kind of got a little grip on the other. Oh, and so nice and neat in the project bag. Very cool. Now, before I open the B box, I want to tell you something. Part of what was in the B box was a bingo card. And every day, Lynn pulls a bingo ball up and she yells the number BINGO and the number that goes with it, whatever. And then we fill out our card. But we have to have 2 bingos to take to qualify. We would take a picture of it and send it to her. And then we get put in a drawing for one of 2 flat screen TVs. They're very smart TV looking things. So, and I am 2 away from 3 different bingos. Keep pulling my number, Lynn. Keep pulling my number. All right, but that's from the B box. And speaking of B box, we're now on day 16 with the B box, and it feels like fabric. Yes. Oh, I can't wait to tear into this one. You know it. Oh my goodness. I think she still has a few boxes left if you're feeling the FOMO. Fear of missing out. Oh, because this is fabulous. Go check out what she's got left and grab a box before they're gone. And I've got bingo numbers, and you can look up the bingo numbers from her, but I've got a list I've been keeping from the daily ones too, so we'll get you caught up if you got a good bingo card. Day 16, here are 3 yards of coordinating fabric. You can add them to your stash or use them on a 3-yard quilt or other project of your choice. Everybody's getting something different. What did you get? Show us in the Facebook group. Oh my word. Look at this. This is beautiful. Look at this beautiful, like little kites. Oh, and the pastels, and the pink, the teals, the yellow, the lavender, and the purple. And then there's a yard. That was a whole yard. And then we have this with the pinks and the yellows in it. Oh my goodness. And then a yard of this with the purples and the yellow. So beautiful. Oh my goodness. Yay! Happy day 16, everybody. Have a wonderful day. Have a joyful day. Go find your joy and spread it around. Merry Christmas.